Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tempura roll sushi step by step. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including high-quality shrimp, nori sheets, and sushi-grade rice. Next, prepare your tempura batter. A cold, light batter is essential for that perfect crispiness. Finally, cook and season your sushi rice precisely, as this forms the foundation of a great roll. Getting these initial steps right sets you up for success. Now let's focus on the star of the show, the tempura shrimp. Begin by lightly dusting your prepared shrimp in flour, then dip them into your cold tempura batter, ensuring an even thin coat. Carefully fry the shrimp in hot oil, ideally at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until they are beautifully golden and crispy. Once cooked, remove them from the oil and drain any excess on a wire rack or paper towels.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Making sushi can be a bit of a workout, and staying hydrated is key. That's why I love my Owala water bottle. It keeps my water perfectly cold. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your tempura ready, it's time to assemble the roll. Place a sheet of nori on your bamboo rolling mat, then spread a thin, even layer of seasoned sushi rice over it, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange your crispy tempura shrimp and any other desired fillings, such as fresh avocado slices, across the center. Now, using the bamboo mat, carefully roll the sushi tightly and evenly, applying gentle pressure as you go. The final step is slicing and serving your masterpiece. For clean cuts, always moisten your sharp knife with water before each slice. Carefully cut the rolled sushi into 6 to 8 uniform segments, ensuring each piece is roughly the same size. Arrange your freshly cut tempura rolls on a serving platter. They are best enjoyed immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.